morning, students. And now I want to explain demand. Demand is a schedule or a curve that shows the relationship between price and the quantity demanded. Now, as I said, demand is a curve or a schedule. Demand is a curve or a schedule that shows the relationship between price and the quantity demanded. Now, we said demand is a curve or a schedule. Now, first of all, let's begin with the schedule. Demand is a schedule. So this is demand. This is demand schedule. So we have the price and we have the quantity. Okay, we could say demand schedule, okay, for t-shirts. Demand schedule for t-shirts per month. So if the price is $10, one t-shirt is demanded. If the price falls to $5, two t-shirts will be demanded. So this is demand. Demand is a schedule. So this is demand. Okay, showing the relationship between price and the quantity demanded of this t-shirt per month. We also said that demand is a curve. Okay, demand is a curve. So we draw a curve. We have here the price, P stands for price, and we have here quantity, Q stands for quantity. So at the price of $10, the quantity demanded is 1. And at the price of $5, the quantity demanded is 2. Okay? So now we connect the dots. Okay? So this is the demand curve. So this demand curve emanates or originates from the demand schedule. Or the demand schedule gives rise to the demand curve. So we're going to call this the demand curve. Okay? For t-shirts per month. Okay? Per month. So now, what is the difference between quantity demanded and change in demand? The quantity demanded is each point on the demand curve. Each point on the demand curve is quantity demanded. So for example, you see here that the quantity demanded 1, okay, the quantity demanded 1 at $10. That is the quantity demanded at $10. So 1 quantity demanded at $10. 2 quantity demanded at $5. So we see that as price falls, the quantity demanded increases. So when the price of the product, when the price of the t-shirt falls, the quantity demanded increases. When the price of the t-shirt rises, the quantity demanded falls. Okay? But when the price of the product falls or rises, demand does not change because demand is entire schedule. demand is entire curve. Okay? So what is going to make the demand to change or demand to increase or decrease? It is not a change in the price of the product, but rather a change in the price of other factors other than the price of the product. And one of them is income. When income increases, and this t-shirt is a superior good, demand will increase. So demand will increase. Okay? From D1 to D2, D1 to D2, demand will increase. So at every price, a greater quantity is demanded. At every price, a greater quantity is demanded. So instead of at $10, we buy one, but because income has increased, and this t-shirt is a superior good, at $10, we're now buying two. And at $5, instead of buying two, we're now buying three, because income has increased. Okay? If income decreases, the demand for this t-shirt will shift to the left. Instead of buying two at $10, now we're buying one. Instead of buying three at $5, we're buying two. Okay, if income decreases. Yeah. Okay, and this t-shirt is a superior or normal good. Okay, so there are other demand shifters apart from income. We have price of related goods, complements, and substitute goods, and we also have number of buyers in the market, and we also have population and demographics. Okay, and so these factors could result to demand shifting to the right or to the left. Likewise, supply. When we talk about supply, the same concept. Supply is also a schedule or a curve showing the relationship between price and quantity supplied. Okay, so we see here that we supply. So we say supply schedule. Okay, supply schedule. Say for example, this is price, and this is quantity. Okay, so you see the price is $10, two quantity supply. And when the price fell to $1, one quantity supply. So when the price fell to $5, one supply. So you see here we supply price and the quantity supply move in the same direction. When the price increases, the quantity supply increases. But with demand, when the price increases, the quantity demanded falls. With supply, when the price increases, the quantity offered for sale increases. Okay, so now let's put this now on a supply curve. So you have price and then you have quantity. So you have this is supply curve. Okay, so at $10, the quantity supply is 2, and at $5, the quantity supply is 1. Okay, so $5 quantity supply is 1. So now let's connect the dots. Okay. So let's connect the dots, and when we connect the dots, okay. So this is the supply curve. Okay, this is the supply curve. Again, supply is a schedule or a curve showing the relationship between the price and the quantity supply. Okay, and the quantity supply. Okay, so a change in the price of the good has increased the quantity supplied from 1 to 2. A rise in the price of the good has increased the quantity supplied from 1 to 2. A fall in the price of the good has decreased the quantity supplied from 2 to 1. So you see, in both cases, in both supply and demand, a change in the price causes a movement along the same demand curve. A change in the price here also causes a movement along the same supply curve. Okay? The only thing that causes a shift of the demand curve are other factors other than the price of the product. Okay? Over here, the same thing. The only thing that will cause a shift of the supply curve are other factors other than the price of the products offered for sale. And those other factors are, for example, the number of sellers in the market or the price of inputs. Okay? When the price of, let's say the price of inputs, when the price of inputs falls, supply will increase. Okay, so supply will increase. So we're going to have supply increasing. Let's say what used to be supplied at $10, two was supplied at $10. Now, at the same $10, 3 will be supplied. Okay, at $5, they used to supply 1. Now they will be supplying 2 at $5. Okay, because the price of inputs are falling. Let's say the price of crude oil, okay, falls, and the supply will increase from S1 to S2. Okay, if the price of inputs rise, supply will decrease. We shift from S2 to S1. Okay, so instead of supplying 3 at $10, now they'll be supplying 2 at $10. Instead of supplying 2 at $5, they'll be supplying 1 at $5 when supply decreases. Okay. Thank you.